I would like to bring two important issues during our discussion. It's emerged. As Walter has mentioned, it is an opportunity, the return of the migrant is also an opportunity to sustain and strengthen the rural economy. And what are the new models can be evolved? The agriculture based or the rural product based economy. So what will be the role of the women enterprise and other issues will be there. How it can contribute to the GDP and how they will have space in the political arena. Second point I would like to bring it to your notice. John has presented, he has identified the metaphors used by the government. And if you would like to engage with this government or present an alternative, we should be able to question those metaphors and need to articulate differently. Otherwise, we'll be also sucked up in those metaphors, war, warriors, and sacrifice of migrant workers. We need to find an alternative vocabulary, number 1, 2. And as John has mentioned, whether it is about NDMA, so we need to question what is the meaning of public emergency and when only these laws can be applicable. Just before closing, I would like to say that, see, in the lockdown, the democracy itself is locked down, number 1. So the normal channels of communication, normal channels of negotiations, they are not available. We also seen the role of judiciary. It's not only democracy, the role of oppositions and other party and the state governments are also dependent on the central government. We have seen the politics itself is been hampered. It is halted. So what are the opportunity to politicize these issues? Number 1. Number 2. And number 3, we need to find the solutions and method beyond traditional NGO approaches. What was missing in government approach and what is in healthcare also, the empathy factor. And unless our approach with community, with everyone is also be driven by empathy, we'll be missing the boat somewhere. So we need to change the metaphors. We need to see this is also an opportunity to work it differently. We need to question the NDMA and similar act. It is proved that NDMA is more dangerous than UAPA or the POTA Act. And we should find some ways and means when these laws like NDMA are useful in public emergency where labor laws also been suspended. So this is, I think, what I get the messages from the different presentations.